What's the meaning of cowboy? Cowboy. Cowboy.
Cowboy. Cowboy. The term cowboy refers to a skilled worker in the North American cattle industry. Historically, cowboys were responsible for herding and maintaining large herds of cattle. They are often associated with the American West and have become cultural icons of the region. The term cowboy can also be used more broadly to describe someone who exhibits qualities such as bravery, independence, and ruggedness. In popular culture, cowboys are frequently portrayed in movies, TV shows, and literature, often representing a romanticized ideal of the American frontier.